Welcome to Watchat, where we chat about watches and other facts of life. Is the Black Bay Chrono the Tudor's Daytona? Let's find out. To mark its 50 years anniversary of its chronograph, Tudor launched the M79360N0001 and the M79360N0002, which are Tudor's vintage-inspired chronograph collection. Let's first talk about its rudimentary details. The 2021 Black Bay Chrono is powered by their in-house MT5813 automatic caliber movement, which is COSC certified, 41 joules, 28,800 VPH, and a 70 hours of power reserve. It has luminescence applied to the hour and minute hand and the indices. It is 41mm in diameter, 14.4mm in height, which is 0.6mm thinner than its previous model, and 50mm lug to lug. The dome sapphire crystal is now placed closer to the dial, and that is how they managed to make the watch slimmer. The 01 has the black dial with silver subdials, whilst the 02 is the opaline dial with black subdials. The dial appears to be dome-shaped, but I can't seem to tell. It has a date complication at the 6 o'clock, milliseconds hand at the 9 o'clock counter, and a 45 minutes timer counter at the 3 o'clock. There is a step down on the subdial with circular pattern in it, which is very nice. The bezel, on the other hand, is an aluminum insert with the tachymeter function on it. The crown at the 3 o'clock has the Tudor rose engraved on it. It is a screw-down crown. Same goes with the pushers at the 2 and 4 o'clock. The case is actually brush finish, with its side having polish finish. The lug width here is 22mm. The bracelet, like the case, is a 316L steel that has a 3-piece link design that is brush finish. The side, however, is polish finish with the vintage-inspired rivet on it. Personally, I kinda dig this rivet design. It gives a different flair to the bracelet, making it stand out as Tudor's own trademark. It has screw pins instead of pin sleeves. Well done, Tudor. And of course, the Tudor Shield folding clasps and safety catch. The color depiction on both these watches are pretty much the same, but they both have different reverberation. The color scheme consists of black, silver, white lume, and a hint of red at the tip of the chrono hand and the 200 meters 660 feet wordings. The panda dial here probably has a little bit more definition because of the contrast between the bezel, the dial, and the subdial. The reverse panda, on the other hand, has an illusion that it is slightly larger due to the lack of contrast between the bezel and the dial. However, I'm probably the minority here, but I think I would prefer the reverse panda dial as I find the sharp contrast between the hands and indexes with the black dial gives better legibility compared to the panda dial. Why do I say I am the minority here? Well, I was told by my AD that they have stopped taking orders for the panda dial due to the overwhelming response. This is on top of the fact that in Malaysia, you can only place a booking from this AD after you have made the full payment of 20,010 ringgit. At this range, with that look, the Tudor Black Bay Chrono can definitely be regarded as Tudor's own Daytona. It has an awesome movement in it with a 200 meter of water resistance. The Daytona, on the other hand, only has a 100 meter. Anyway, which would you prefer? The Panda or the reverse Panda Tudor Black Bay Chrono? If I were to throw in two more options such as the breitling AB01182221G1P1 and the Hamilton H38416711, which will you prefer? Let us know at the comments below. To support me in making more videos like this, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification icon so that you won't miss any of my videos, and I'll really appreciate it and promise to upload more videos like this. Until the next one, thank you for watching.